In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to change default microphone. If your voice sounds distant, muffled, or it's coming from the wrong device, the fix is usually just choosing the right microphone in Windows. We'll walk through this in a clear, simple way so you can set the correct mic and be confident it's working. The fastest way to get started is by opening the Settings app. Press the Windows key and the letter I together to launch it instantly. If you prefer clicking, open the Start menu and select Settings. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose System, then click Sound. This is where Windows manages everything related to audio. On the Sound page, scroll to the section labeled Input. This is all about microphones and other recording devices. You'll see a heading that says, Choose a device for speaking or recording, followed by a list of available microphones. This might include a laptop's built-in mic, a webcam mic, a USB microphone, or a headset. Click the microphone you want to use so it's selected. That selection tells Windows, use this one as my default. If you're not sure which device is which, look for a name that matches the brand or the port it's connected to. External mics often include their model name in the list. Once your microphone is selected, stay on this screen to fine-tune it. You'll see a volume slider for the input level. Speak in a normal voice and watch the input level meter move. If the bar barely reacts, increase the volume slider a little at a time. If it jumps to the maximum or sounds distorted, bring the slider down. Aim for healthy movement that doesn't constantly hit the top. Many systems also include a quick Test Your Microphone option on this page. Click Start Test, say a sentence or two at your usual speaking volume, then stop the test to see the measured level. This is a fast way to confirm Windows is hearing you clearly. If you don't see a dedicated test button, the input level meter is still a reliable guide while you talk. When you're done, your chosen microphone remains the default for apps and calls. If you ever plug in a new device or switch between a headset and a desktop mic, just return to Settings, System, Sound, and pick the one you want under Input again. That's all there is to it. Simple, quick, and effective.